Hey guys, want to give you an update on one of my Lego sorters. So this would be the turntable sorter. So I'm going to do a partial functional check, but just to give you a quick rundown how it's all going to work. Lego is going to drop down here on this conveyor. It's going to go up on this incline conveyor to this conveyor. I'll set up a motion sensor to detect the Lego coming across the conveyor. I have a camera set up. I have a light sensor set up. And I also have LEDs. So when the light sensor detects the color, it'll light up the LEDs. Once it gets past here, the Lego will drop onto this conveyor, and this conveyor is a turntable, and it'll drop the Lego into a designated cup. So for right now, I'm just going to demonstrate the LEDs and the turntable. So using a joystick. Alright, so I'm going to have my joystick here. So I'm going to push square for red. Alright. You can see a triangle for yellow, X for green, and circle for blue. So I'm using my Raspberry Pi down here and a couple H bridges. And so did the LEDs. And now I'm going to demonstrate the turntable. So I didn't hook up the chain axle to the motor yet, but you can see when I hit the button here, you can see the motor spin. So I'm going to press R1 for forward. Alright, I'm going to press R2 for reverse. Alright, and then you're going to see the conveyor move when I press L1. L1's for clockwise. Okay, and L2 for counterclockwise. So that's it, guys. That's not the full functional check I wanted to get done at the end of the week, but I came down with a cold, and so I had to rest. But I'll keep you posted and updated on the further I get. So that's it, guys. Have a nice week. All right, later.